Now, Brent crude price is touching $80 a barrel amidst escalating tensions in the Middle East and attacks on oil containers in the Red Sea. Sources in India's oil marketing company say that a fuel price cut is unlikely if crude prices remain above $75 a barrel. Sapna standing by with more details. So, Sapna, there was a lot of expectation and a lot of hope that with crude prices seeing a significant easing, we could see a price cut here at the retail end as well. But now with crude prices inching back up closer to $80 a barrel, is that perhaps going to be pushed back a bit?
Well, that's most likely. However, we need to note that the window is not completely closed. So what we understand very clearly from industry players is that they'll be more comfortable if the crude oil price settles back below $75 a barrel, preferably in the 72 to 73 odd range. And that remains there on a sustained basis. Now, sustained over here, of course, would be like, at least a 2 to 3 week window. So that needs to be seen. Second, of course, they're also talking about the fact that, as you rightly pointed out, is because of the Red Sea crisis that, a price cut possibility will have to be reconsidered. That has got precipitated. The reconsideration has got precipitated because of geopolitical tensions. So going forward, two factors are going to be critical. Geopolitical stress as well as the volatility in the crude oil prices. Both are interconnected to a large extent. So that's where, industry players, their comfort would be that if both things are stable, that's when they will be able to look at something. But as I just said in the beginning, it's election time, so nothing is really closed out or nothing is really cancelled. We just have to wait and watch and see how this really pans out. But at the moment, industry players are very clear that both these factors, the geopolitical stress as well as crude coming back to under 75 and sustaining there, these are the factors driving them in terms of their decision making. Hence, do not expect a price cut immediately.
Well, as Sapna is pointing out, the window continues to be open, and of course prices will be monitored. If crude continues to stay above $75 a barrel, the case for a cut is perhaps going to be pushed back. But if we see crude prices easing below 75 or around that level at a sustainable basis, then perhaps we could see prices being cut here at the retail end. Time for us to head up into a break.